Hi friends, today in this video we will know what are the advantages and what will be the price for making the wardrobe designs. So friends, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel. So let's continue to the topic. A beautiful wardrobe in the bedroom can enhance the both functionality and aesthetics, creating a more organized, attractive and personalized space. So there are some several benefits, like first one is a stylish wardrobe can enhance the room's overall look, complementing other elements like bed, lighting, and decor. With the right colors, material, and finish, a wardrobe can become a statement piece that enhance your bedroom interior. So let me now discuss the main topic, the cost of making a wardrobe. So the cost of making these types of wardrobes depends on various factors such as size, materials, design, type of finish, and the location where you live. Wardrobes can be made with the different types of material, where most popular material is the plywood, second one is the MDF, even the particle board is been used to make the wardrobe. So if you want to go with the plywood, which is the most popular material for wardrobes, it will cost around you 800 rupees to 1500 rupees per square feet based on the quality, material, commercial ply. So always select the best material ply for your wardrobe, and there you will get the many brands, but I will suggest you always select the best brands like Century Ply, Green Ply. This type of materials are very durable. So let me take some example, like if you want to make 6 by 7 the size of wardrobe with the plywood, it will cost you around 48,000 to 55,000 rupees. In this price, all everything is been included, like labor cost, material, and other accessories like adhesive. Once again, I will repeat that the cost of the wardrobe depends on various factors such as materials, types of finish, and the location where you live. Wardrobe have some beautiful advantages, like it increase the storage and organization. A well designed wardrobe provides ample storage for clothes, accessories, and essential, reducing clutter in the room. With sections for hanging clothes, shelves for folded items, drawers, and organizers, it is easy to keep everything in its place and access items quickly. It also improves the space efficiency. A custom wardrobe can maximize wall space and corners, especially in the small rooms. Sliding doors, for instance, can save space compared to swinging doors, making it ideal for compact bedrooms. Nowadays, sliding doors has become more popular wardrobes. Even you can select the your as per your choice. Wardrobe offers the opportunities for customization, from choosing colors and materials to adding the unique hardware and finish. You can also add features like mirrors, lighting, and glass doors. The wardrobe to your style as per your needs. So friends, when while making the wardrobe, you should consider some important points. First one is the size and space. So measure the space carefully, including the ceiling height and any surrounding furniture or windows. Ensure there's enough clearance for wardrobe doors to open fully, or consider sliding doors if space is very tight. Another point to consider is the wardrobe style and design. So match the wardrobe style with the bedroom decor. Decide between stand-alone or built-in wardrobes based on material, available space, and aesthetic preference. Think about materials and finish, like wood, laminate, mirror doors, or glass finish for a more customization looks. Another point to consider is the types of doors. So choose the door types based on room layout, like sliding door. It save the space, ideal for smaller rooms, or you can make in a bigger room also. Third one is a hinged doors. Need more space but allow a complete view of the content. Another one is open wardrobes, offer easy access but require more organization to keep visual appealing. Another point to consider is the quality and the durability. Invest in a high quality materials and hardware for durable. Wardrobes are subject to daily use, so durable hinges, sliders, and drawer tracks are very important. So always select the best quality material for the wardrobes. Another one is the aesthetic appeal. So always choose the colors, textures, and designs that complement the room. For a small bedroom, light colors or mirrors can make the room feel larger. Another point is the lighting. Add interior lights to make it easy to locate items, especially in low light rooms or the large wardrobes. Use LED lights with the motion sensors or integrated lighting for efficiency and convenience. And always use the mirror, because a mirror inside the wardrobe door can be space saving and convenient for dressing. Mirror door also create the illusion of a larger room by reflecting the light. And most important part is the ventilation. So ensure the good ventilation to prevent mustiness, especially in the humid climates. This can be achieved through lower doors or small ventilation spaces. And most important part of the wardrobe design is the budget. So always set a budget beforehand and prioritize features based on your needs and lifestyle to avoid overspending. So friend, with these points you can create a wardrobe that is functional, stylish, and perfectly suited to your bedroom. So friend, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel, and if you like my videos, then please like and share this video. Thank you for watching and keep supporting to our channel. Thank you once again.